How to create SEO content with AI for free. Here's how to create AI SEO content that actually ranks. And the best thing, it's completely free. Step number 1, new way of doing keyword research. Use Ahrefs free tool to find specific keywords related to your topic. Let's take an example of cooking pan. When I'm doing a research for cooking pan, I came across a lot of keywords related to cooking pans. I go on to questions and see what kind of a questions are relevant to my website. Let's say I take one sample. They come with keyword difficulty, as you can see. So I will pick one of these sections here, and I'm just scrolling down and see. So let's say which pan is healthy for cooking. I'm gonna go and search it in Google and see the top 10 results for that. So what I'm looking for a keyword that not many people are using but are still asking about. Don't worry if these keywords seems less popular, they can still bring a lot of visitors with an incremental value of long tail keywords. Now step 2, seizing up the competitors. Search your keywords on Google to see what comes up. If you find pages that aren't exactly optimized for a keyword, you might have a good chance to rank. So in this case, let's say I search which pan is healthy for cooking. There is Reddit result, which is good. If Reddit and Quora results are coming, it is a good sign that we can beat these results. Finding a gap means you got a shot at getting the top of the Google. Step 3, basics with AI. I'm going to use ChatGPT 3.5, which is available for free for everyone. You can use ChatGPT or Google Bard to make a plan for your article. These AI tools can give you a good starting point, but add your own ideas to make it better. Think of AI as a helper, not final answer. Here I'm going to use ChatGPT. I'm going to type a prompt, create an SEO content brief, which pan is healthy, and let's see. So ChatGPT has given me content format, tone, outline, number of words we should have, internal link strategies and external link strategies as well. Step 4, content generation. Now with the output available from ChatGPT, I'm going to use HubSpot free AI tool to turn our plan into a full article. Let's see how we can do this. I'm going to sign up for HubSpot, and I'm going to go under marketing. Once you have signed up for free, under websites, I'm going to choose blog. When the page loads, I'm going to click on start from scratch. I'm going to copy paste the complete content output from ChatGPT, and I'm going to select introduction, approx 150 words. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say expand. So here HubSpot AI software is going to expand my content. As you can see, it's expanded around 150 words. I'm going to press insert and insert this content here. Similarly, I will select the other points also and expand those content as well. I'm going to expand other content as well. Now I have done the expansion for all of the content. Now what I'm going to do, if I find it is too big, I will go and shorten it, and HubSpot AI tool gives us change 5 different tones to use. So I can use the tone which I want here, and I am shorten this content. I'm going to just click on insert, and this is how the content is generated. So as I scan through the content, I have generated all the content here, and now I'm going to just use this content. Make sure to go back and make it sound better with your own words. Step 5, run your article through a Hemingway Editor to make it clear and easy to understand. Hemingway app is a free app, so where I've gone to Hemingway app, I've just simply posted that content here, and I'm going to see it gives what kind of a content edits it gives me. So I'm going to run it through Hemingway, and I'm going to post this, and I'm going to use this content and scan it through and fix whatever changes it's asking me to do. Step 6, use Google Doc to check for any spelling mistakes. I've taken this Google Doc and pasted the content in Google Doc, as you can see. Now I'm going to go into the tools, and I'm going to correct on spelling and grammar and do a spell and grammar check as well. So if there are any spell and grammar checks, I will fix those through as well. Step 7, now is the time to ask ChatGPT to review your article and give you tips to improve. So I've given this prompt here to ChatGPT to scan my content, which includes EEAT and other helpful guidelines as well. And the output which it gives me, I will improve the content based on it. Step 8, SEO optimization. Now I'm going to post this content in whichever favorite web editor you are using. For example, if we are using WordPress, I posted this content in WordPress, as you can see, and I'm using our favorite plugin Rank Math. So if you see my score when I posted is 48. Now I'm going to put the focus keyword. It's important to put the focus keywords. Also ensure the description has your focus keyword in it. So I'm going to do that. Also the permalink needs to be updated as per the keyword. now it says use focus keyword in the URL. So, I am going to go to the permalink and use the focus keyword in the URL. So, I am typing this URL. So, which pan is healthy for cooking. So, my URL is going to be which pan is healthy for cooking. As you can see, the score is 50 right now. Let us see what the score is. Now, I am going to do this. I am going to edit the snippet and do the permalink and do the submissions here, and I am going to see that focus keywords also does not appear in the beginning of my content. I am going to go here and do these fixes. What I am doing is making sure that the keyword is in the title, the web address and the summary meta descriptions. If you are using WordPress, remember that the title of your post is the main H1. So, I am here also using it in the subheadings and improving those subheadings as well, so that my SEO scores goes, my rank math score goes somewhere around 90. That is what my aim is, to get it somewhere around 90. So, I am going to add an image with focus keywords now. I am also going to check the title readability and focus keywords and ensure that the internal links are added. So, basic optimization which you see on your right hand side is done. Step 9, visual appeal and user engagement. So, add photos or video that help explain your article better. Every picture and video should teach something new, not just to be there to look nice. So, you can use a tool like Canva. So, I have used Canva and I picked a cooking pan picture here. And it is important to create a unique picture for your article using Canva to make it stand out. Once your content is live, it is time for step 10. So, do not just publish your article, tell people about it on social media and other places. Link to your new article from other articles on your website, and you can use Google Search Console to tell Google about your new article. You go to Google Search Console and request an indexing. And now think about adding cool stuffs like infographic in your article that other websites might want to link to. Now you know how to write great AI content, but now you need to actually rank your website. And because this is such an important topic, I made a separate video about how you can rank number 1. So, go and watch this video you see on your screen now. After watching this video, you will know everything you need to know about in order to write a good SEO optimized content and actually rank number 1. So, if you want to make this work, then I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.